Coordinates: 53 degrees 43:01, N1 degree 38:06, W, 53.717 degrees north 1.635 degrees west, 53.717. -1.635 Batley and Spen as a constituency in the House of Commons of the UK Parliament. It was the constituency of Joe Cox, who was murdered when in office in 2016. The current MP is Kim Leadbeater, a Labour politician, elected in a 2021 by-election. The seat has returned Labour MPs since 1997. The area is in the rolling Pennines of West Yorkshire with considerable commerce, industry, retail and occupational trades. A lower percentage of social housing is present than the regional average. However, most of the larger settlements have some social housing. The population in the district is ethnically diverse. Cleckheaton and many of the towns in the Spen Valley have few residents from non-white heritage backgrounds, while Batley has a sizable number of residents with South Asian backgrounds, namely Pakistani. Heckmondwike also has a well-established South Asian community with 16.9% residents having Pakistani heritage. The results of the last 50 years show marginal majorities for Labour and for the Conservatives. 1983 to 1997, the Metropolitan Borough of Kirklees wards of Batley East, Batley West, Nurstle and Birkinshaw, Cleckheaton, Heckmondwike, and Spen. 1997 to 2010, the Metropolitan Borough of Kirklees wards of Batley East, Batley West, Nurstle and Birkinshaw, Cleckheaton, and Spen. 2010-present, the Metropolitan Borough of Kirklees wards of Batley East, Batley West, Nurstle and Birkinshaw, Cleckheaton, Heckmondwike, and Liversedge and Gomersall. The constituency was created in 1983 from parts of the seats of Batley and Morley, Bridge House and Spenborough and Dewsbury. This West Yorkshire constituency covers Batley, Birkinshaw, Nurstle, Cleckheaton, East Bealey, Gomersall, Hunsworth, and Liversedge. Traditionally, Batley and Heckmondwike have been inclined to vote Labour, while the other settlements have been more inclined to vote Conservative. The exception is Cleckheaton, which has returned Liberal Democrat members for the local council. The seat swung in Labour's favour in the elections of 1997. 2001 and 2005, though the Conservatives reduced the Labour majority in 2010 with a swing below the national average. The seat did not exist in its present form before 1983. It has seen significant boundary changes since its creation, most notably those changes that took effect for the 1997 general election. The town of Heckmondwike was part of the seat from its creation in 1983 until 1997. When it was transferred to Dewsbury, Heckmondwike was returned to Batley and Spen for the 2010 general election. The electoral ward of Heckmondwike was considered part of the Spen Valley. Heckmondwike ward was for many years a Labour stronghold, but in the 2000s elected 2 BNP councillors. The BNP councillors were narrowly defeated by Labour in 2007 and 2008. A by-election in 2016 occurred as a result of the murder of Joe Cox, the sitting MP. Cox died on the 16th of June 2016, after being shot and stabbed multiple times by a man associated with far-right organisations. The Conservative Party, Liberal Democrats, UK Independence Party and the Green Party all announced they would not contest the by-election as a mark of respect. A by-election was held on the 1st of July 2021 following the resignation of MP Tracy Brabham to become Mayor of West Yorkshire. Swing is calculated from the 2015 election, not the 2016 by-election, which was not contested by major parties. Alex Lukacs' vote change is in comparison to the 2015 election, when he stood as a UKIP candidate.